Hey guys, this is me, Taji Girl. I will be showing you all of my Pokemon cards. So, yeah, I'm gonna put my rare ones at the back. I have 4 rares, I'm sure. Yeah, no, 3, sorry. 3 actually. So, first I have a Deoxys, Sneasel, Pikachu, Zekrom, Ho-Oh, which is for trade. Almost all these cards are for trade except for my 3 end ones. You want to see all my energies. Energy. Professor Juniper. Energies. Here we go. Okay. Tiny Maw again. Shiny Shabu. Pikachu. Kabuchu. 2 Kabuchus. Electric. Zorua. Revive. Micro. Tranquil. Jellicent. No, Kabuchu. Jellicent. Lugia. Bertic. Charizard. These guys are energy. Levi, Mufasa, Mozilla, Archeops, Dialga, Zekrom for Tornadus for and I pulled this one day ago, and it's from the Dragons Exalted. Mew for art. So yeah, we actually pulled that, and this is the markings that my brother said he saw. There was a bump on the packet or something like that. So I think that's probably to tell that you can get an EX in it for art. Not 100% sure, but that's what my brother said. And I'm really looking for a Rayquaza full art EX, and I would trade you any of my cards that I showed you right now for that straight in Pokemon. I can also give you all 3, but 2 I can give you Tornadus, Zekrom for that Rayquaza EX full art, and Mew Zekrom for Rayquaza full art. Yeah, because I really love Rayquaza full art. So yeah guys, me, let's go signing up.